We all know runners make mistakes, injured runners especially, because they're highly motivated to get better. So best case for an injured runner, they go and consult the doctor, the physio, the bio. Worst case, they think it happens spontaneously, it'll get better on its own. With the athletes that actually consult a physio, a bio, or the doctor, they follow the rehab, they heal up well, and then as soon as they think or feel they've healed, wham, they go back into running. So there's no introduction or reintroduction to running. It's just, I feel better, and now I'm going to test how I'm feeling. So straight into running a 5K, running a 10K. They might take it a little bit easier and slowly increase the pace, but mileage wise, load wise, they just go straight back into running. What you do need is reintroduction to running. That means you're slowly progressing the load and the impact on all your joints and muscles. Just resting and then going back into the full swing of it just causes different injuries to occur or the same one to reoccur. So you've got to follow a reintroduction to running program, whether it was 4 weeks that you've been off, 6 weeks, 3 months, whatever the time span is, your physio or your sports physician needs to work out a proper program of reintroduction to running. So please don't make that same mistake.